Welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So allow me to tell you how I got my unique thought this week by just simply looking around. So yesterday, I had a blast. I was at a social gathering. There was music, there was food, there was entertainment, and there was also a presenter talking about some really knowledgeable little things, and it was just overall amazing. But occasionally, some of the little babies, like 3 or under, just started crying or screaming out of the blue. And the presenter that's presenting right there might be like, oh, well, look at this. I'm doing a great job. Everyone can hear me. This is really important, so this is perfect. But how about you ask some of the people that were sitting next to that crying or screaming baby? It was me. I was one of them. I was the one sitting next to them. And trust me, I couldn't hear a thing. And I'm sure that lots of people would agree with me that this isn't an uncommon situation, and it tends to ruin lots of events all the time. So how about, this is where the unique thought comes into play. How about instead of having one large speaker or having multiple speakers around the room, you can have a smaller speaker, like an AirPod almost, that you hand out to every guest. And this little speaker can cancel out the screaming or the shouting or the crying of the little babies. And now you might be like, Amishi, that's a horrible idea. What if the child is in danger? Well, that doesn't really happen now, does it? When a child is screaming or something, it's probably because they want attention. And plus, here at Non-Academic, we're not looking to validate this thought because I don't know how much this is going to cost, if it's even feasible. But the thing is that here at Non-Academic, we just want as many unique thoughts in as possible. So if I was able to think about this unique thought by just being at a social gathering, I'm sure you can too. So keep your eyes and your mind wide open. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment down below as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!